Unique Molle style organizer designed for the Pelican 1650 case. Easy click swing cam lock secures panel to lid. Removes quickly. Quickly replace individual bags or whole panel setups. Multi-use panels for different load configurations. Durable panel. Fully tested under extreme temperatures. Customizable with compatible Molle pouches and velcro brand fasteners, not included. Top reviews from the United States. Used this as a Molle panel for a micro conversion kit. Got to say, I'm impressed with its flexibility and durability. Definitely beats an expensive GreyMan Tactical panel and is perfect for my use. 11/10 would buy again. Love it.